Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP JPY, and at last we are seeing some kind of correction retracement on the GBP JPY chart because it was in it was so bullish that I also missed the uptrend. Okay, I was just waiting for retracement. Okay, I was waiting for retracement, and at last I can see that yes, market is coming down. Hopefully I will be getting a good opportunity to catch the market. Yesterday when I made the video, market was here, and many of you have already taken buy position and made good money, but I missed the train. Okay, let's see where the market goes and what are the opportunities that comes to the market. Hmm. So this is the currency strength meter, and you can see JPY is the strongest currency, the most bullish currency for the day. As a result, we are seeing some kind of correction on the pairs like only JPY pairs, USD JPY, GBP JPY, because yesterday JPY was the weakest currency, and that's why all the JPY pairs were extremely bullish. They were flying to the sky. So we can see that I have formed a bullish flag kind of a pattern here. Okay, let me complete the flag here. So the strategy one, okay, I don't want to waste time, just get in the point. Strategy one is if market breaks the line at the top, if market breaks the line at the top and starts going up again, this will be a breakout. We can consider it as a breakout, and this will be our first trading opportunity. Okay, we can take a buy position here if market breaks the flag. You can also make a bullish flag like in your chart, and you can just wait for the market to break the flag. Once market will break the flag and start going up, you can take a buy. Just make sure that the size of the candle is important. Okay, if you see that market has crossed the flag but size is very small, okay, if then do not go for it. Okay, because volume is also essential. Price and volume is the best combination. If you see market crossing the flag with a big green candle, go for it. That is a breakout, and we can consider that the market is continuing the trend and we can take a buy. Okay, that is our first trading opportunity. And in case market fails to go up and starts coming down, then do not take any buy. If you want to take a sell, if you are a daredevil, if you have the if you have the appetite for risk, then you can take a sell position. Honestly speaking, I will not personally take any sell position here in this market, and I will also not suggest beginners, new traders, and those who cannot afford to take risk, please do not take any sell position, because this market is in uptrend, very uptrend. So taking a sell position in this market is going against the trend of the market, so that will be a very wrong decision. Don't do it. Okay, but if you are an experienced trader, you know how to handle scalping, then that's a different story. You can take. Okay, otherwise wait for the market to break the flag and start going up. And if market comes down to the level of 155.50, then there is a possibility of market bouncing from the level, because we have a Fibonacci retracement of 23.6%. There is a possibility of market bouncing from this level. If market bounces from 155.50 level, definitely you can go for buy. Just make sure confirmation is always important. As I say, confirmation will be in the form of a bullish engulfing pattern, be bullish pin bar, it can be hammer pattern. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is respecting the 155.50 level, go for buy. Okay, and in case market comes down, then the next support for GBP JPY will be 155. If market bounces from 155 level, that can also be a good buy, because this level has been acting as a minor support. I won't say a very strong support, minor support for quite some time. We have seen market taking support in this level, so there is a possibility of GBP JPY bouncing from this level. So these are the three trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP JPY right now. Whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because this is your hard-earned money. It's your duty to protect it. My analysis can be wrong as well. For one wrong analysis, one bad trade, you should not be losing your whole capital, half of your capital. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.